All right, time for a February update on this V8 powered 944. It's done not much but sit there in the garage. It's been warm out, so I take it out every once in a while and drive it around just to get the battery charged and make sure everything still works, and it hasn't missed the beat. So yeah. Been a pretty warm winter so far. No real snow down here at all. I don't know, on the news they say something like 13 or 14 inches what we got this year so far this winter, and haven't seen any of that down this far. One day we got one evening we got a dusting, and there was, some snow on the Crown Vic when I came out in the morning, but there wasn't any on the grass, so no real snow. So perfect excuse to go out and drive it around once in a while. No real projects going on with it. I haven't put the new intake on it yet or anything. I mean, the remote throttle body mount for the intake. But that and the LED headlights and a couple other little things is really all we're doing right now. So that's about it. Let's go for a ride. Being all dusty drive in February.